Working.
The pushback is definitely working, and you're seeing it across the board.
Excellent. Madison, thank you very much indeed. The University of Nebraska Lincoln was just hit with a civil rights complaint. It's over a program for black filmmakers. William Jacobson is the Cornell University law professor and joins me now. Professor, is it legit that a university in America today has a program specifically for black filmmakers? Is that okay with you?
No, it's not okay, and that's why we have filed a complaint over it, because this is a program which is racially exclusionary. You can only apply for it if you are a black filmmaker. And if you just reverse the roles, if they had a program that was only for white filmmakers, it would be a national story. It would be outrage everywhere. But for some reason, universities seem to think discrimination is okay, depending which direction it targets.
It seems like we're trying to end all racial preferences, whether it's in corporations or colleges or high schools or wherever. Is that your goal?
Yes, that is the goal. I mean, and that is what the 14th Amendment says, equal protection of the laws. That's what the Supreme Court has held. And that is our goal at an Equal Protection Project, that we want to eliminate the use of race in terms of who gets what benefits from society. That should be our highest ideal. Unfortunately, it's only controversial because we've gone decades now, particularly in academia, where the opposite was the intention.
Yeah, I mean, I remember as a younger man, 50s, 60s and 70s, it seemed like the objective was a colorblind society. We seem to have rejected that. Are we now getting back to that ideal?
Well, I think, I like the term color neutral, that we can recognize what people are and we can recognize history. We don't have to ignore it, but everybody is entitled to be treated neutrally based upon their skin color. We don't give somebody favor or disfavor because of skin color. That's where we have to go, and that's where we're trying to take us.
Do you still have a job, Professor? Because what you're saying is not very popular on the campus these days, is it?
Well, I still am employed. As of 5 minutes ago, my login still worked. But yes, I mean, it's a dissident view on many campuses. But it's something that I think most students and, frankly, even most faculty support, but they have to do it quietly. They're afraid to speak out.
That's not
People
what we
don't
hear.
like this racial discrimination.
I thought the student body and certainly the faculty was gung-ho for all kinds of preferences.
Well, if you talk to the activists, yes, but the activists are only a small percentage. Most students don't like this. They don't appreciate it, but they're afraid to speak out.
Professor William Jacobson, thank you very much for joining us this morning and enlightening us all. We appreciate it, Professor. Come again soon.
Great, thank you.